Latissimus dorsi. The latissimus dorsi is a somewhat triangular-shaped muscle that is broad and flat, and it covers a pretty vast amount of space on our back. So that's where you can find it. You can find it on the posterior aspect of the thoracic cage. And to help remember that, the term dorsi actually references to dorsal, which we know also means posterior. So if you have trouble remembering that, you can know that dorsi is a reference to dorsal, like a dorsal fin on a dolphin or a shark. We could find that on their back. Our origin for the latissimus dorsi is going to be through the thoracolumbar fascia, the spinous processes of T7 through L5, the posterior surface of the iliac crest and sacrum, and then also the lower three ribs. So for this muscle, we have a very large attachment point. The insertion is going to be the floor of the bicipital groove. So just a quick note to remember on that. We can actually find the bicipital groove on the anterior side of the humerus. So this is where, within the bicipital groove, that's where we have the long head of the biceps brachii. So that's going to be on the anterior side. So even though our latissimus dorsi, it originates on the posterior side, the insertion actually wraps all the way around to the anterior side of the humerus. As far as actions, so we have shoulder extension, shoulder adduction, and then medial rotation. It can also elevate the body when the upper extremities are stabilized. So with this, you can think of like a chin up. As far as the nerve, it's innervated by the thoracodorsal nerve, C6 through C8.